Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video we are going to make face wash powder at home. This face wash is very effective and easy to make with 3 ingredients. It is completely natural, cleans your skin and brightens it. For the ingredients you will need besan or gram flour. You will need some coffee powder. I am using brew coffee here. You will need rice flour. Grind raw white rice and make it as a powder like so. All of these ingredients are easily available and are already present in our kitchen. Take a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of besan, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix the ingredients well. Store it in a bottle jar, keep it in your bathroom. Using a spatula, take required amount of the product onto your palm. Add required amount of water to it. Apply it onto your face, massage it for a minute and then wash it off. This face wash powder shows results from the first usage. It brightens and evens the skin tone. It prevents acne and pimple. This face wash powder also works as a mild scrub. It effectively removes blackheads and whiteheads. It makes the skin soft, smooth and supple. After that, wash your face with water and pat dry. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.